welcome back to the journey, a woodworking journey, I guess you could say. But today is day 11. We're still at $0, but good news, we're going to be mounting the side tables together today. I'm also going to be playing around with this bench a little bit, trying to make it sit a little bit flatter. And other than that, I am going to be, I think I'm going to be, oh yeah, what was the other task? To polyurethane the bottom of the tree cookie and hopefully get that mounted too today as well. Also, I'm gonna try to make a little bench thing out of this piece and do that by and I'm gonna use those metal legs for this one hopefully. So yeah, that should be a nice little project there. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that's the end of the video. So I'm sorry we didn't get too much done today, but I have youth group today, so I wanted to go to that, so I didn't really have too much time. But what we did get is I think I figured out these legs. They do seem to be sitting a little bit straighter, or flatter I mean. Not as much a wobble, which is good. Also, we started sanding this piece, And we put together the 2 side tables. So those are looking pretty good. We also polyurethane the back of the tree cookie, and that's just about ready to go and be mounted on the legs as well. But I'm gonna post those legs or those side tables for sale hopefully tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos if you would like to see how the journey started and how we got here. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe.